So vlog world, ladies and gentlemen, my G's, big up on yourself right now. You don't know it's the next day, it's the next vlog, and we're here. And we are going to cook dinner because it's actually dinner time, you know what I mean? And Kay go cook and Trabass go cook.
Hey! Definitely.
You know what I mean? But yeah, definitely, yeah, we are go forward with the kitchen, we show
no, I like. I like them out there.
Trabass cook jerk chicken today.
I like.
Kay cook chicken back. So yeah, me I go do
what you put it in?
swim around. Probably steam it down in some coconut milk with a little pumpkin, some crackers and some what the next something they call? What green something?
Avocado.
No.
I know.
It's slimy.
Yeah.
Okra. The man say avocado.
We didn't know me, it's avocado.
You say what? Over the counter. Over the counter. So yeah, we are gonna deal with that for right now. And checking back, we don't know in a 2 seconds. Summer G's right now, you don't know cooking time, and as I telling you before, I'm gonna swim around, I'm gonna steam it down in some coconut milk with pumpkin, okra and crackers. Basically that's it. I swim around over there, so for right now I just gonna put in all of my ingredients before I put the pot on the fire, so you can see how everything go. I know everything go on. I don't feel I'm gonna cut this. Yeah, I don't feel I'm gonna cut this. I just have video everything and show you what I go on before I put it on the stove. So yeah. Trabass over this I play the lizard that take the picture and be or something. Let me say. This you can use any amount of coconut milk you want. You know what I mean? Me like coconut milk, so I'm gonna use 2 plus I probably add some water to it. More coconut milk in there, the more coconut flavor you taste. Some people love coconut, me love coconut. So we are adding the coconut. So far we're adding 2 part coconut, 1 eggs. Fish season. Some in that, so normally I would just use 1, but half pack this, so 2 half pack must make 1. 1 is pimento. More pimento you cook with that, the better your food tastes, but I don't like pimento, but I have to cook with it, you know? Thyme. We feel like our first time I ever pick up thyme and call it thyme. Every time I always pick up thyme, I call it scallion thyme. Scallion. You know you have to have a scotch bonnet. So you can scotch bonnet up a pot, you know? Trabass afraid of pepper, so I'm not go.
Burn it up, man.
Over it. You say burn it up?
Yes, man.
Sorry. Yo, if you smell all the pepper, they smell like black ants. Smell like mad ants. You know the ants of Jamaica just run for no sense? That's how it smell. Now we're going to put in okra. So I'll cut up some okra and put. Yeah man, the pepper they smell up. Okra is optional if you don't want okra, because a lot of people, believe it or not, don't like okra. So if you don't want no okra in it, you don't have to put no okra in it. But me like okra, so okra go in it. Now put too much in it. Now go overdo it with okra. We just probably put a few more in it. And that's it. Oh, you there on the ground?
You see right there, man.
The man sit down on the lizard, sit on the right side of him.
You want to chill with me?
2 of them are bail.
Look like you want to play with it, yes.
That you want to swing it down.
Yes, you size up our size, bro.
You better not.
See right up on me? Look, is it?
Yeah, me see him.
Hey, don't lick me, no.
Yeah man, you look like you want to swing. I best I him. Yeah. Alright, so we don't need no more okra than that.
So vlog ready. We did a move up forward on the scales. I'm a chef up on a vlog.
Right.
The vlog camera right there, so I'm going to check out the vlog page. I'm a vlog, I'm a cook swimmers.
Yo, pre the carrot here.
I'm going to cook steamed fish and crackers today. Let's meet somebody at chili with yellow. You want to be a bad man right now, you want to set up himself.
You last size up.
Yeah, my size me up, like you want to swing it here. You come here to call me down, please.
Yo, the carrot is so soft. Yeah, man around there whisper to you, listen. You want me to do and see if you can run go far.
Yeah.
See if you can escape.
I'm going to see you shutting eye. That's what we call me down when you wide up himself.
Now we're going to add in with carrots.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you got food this now? Be a vegetable in the carrot, the big little I like. You add one more carrot to it. Carrot good for you, I'm wearing glasses so. You know? You say nothing no go so though. Carrot no good for you? Who tell you say nothing no go so?
Be a chef.
Yeah, the man I lizard over there. Like blue.
Oh, I'm chef, dog.
Fool up, man. If you ever see me over there, so me man run you don't like me. Straight on the cupboard, me a jump, because I don't want him bite me. You know, say lizard bite, though.
I'm not biting him, I'll whip you.
Can't whip me for me feeling.
You know.
Alright, so carrot in. I don't think we need no more carrot than that. What else you know? Pumpkin. Carrot is also optional. More thing you have in it and more thing in it if you consume. I'm gonna put back up a lizard. So, the pumpkin now. Yo, the pumpkin looks so nice and rich. Lizard need pumpkin because they can't get no pumpkin feed in a wild. I'm gonna feed the lizard pumpkin. So what we are doing now, we just cut up the pumpkin in this. This alone by itself is a meal. This no need no swimmers, nothing. Remember we still have put swimmers in it and we are gonna add crackers to it. So it's a full meal. Eat this, you know, and nothing more, not one thing more, you know. Me pre-say pot probably too small, but and Nathan. Yeah, I don't think we have add more to this. More than this one around. Yes, so right now, I think this ready. I prefer put water in it. So I'm gonna put some water in it and make all of them steam down. Then me deal with my swimmer. I'm gonna show you in it first. Right, see everything we're doing in it so far. I'm tell you no okra, pumpkin, carrot, scallion, thyme, and pimento. And you don't know, scotch bonnet cut up in it with just coconut milk. Put this on the stove and make it steam. So when them are almost for cook, I can throw in my swimmer around and just make it steam. Then I add in my crackers and we're good to go. So right now, vlog world, you know if you ask, food is finished. So no, I go on, I don't just go on liquor oil, you know. So I go on liquor oil, you know. Oh wow, the oil plate nearly drop off here, so with a ball, you know. So I go on for pumpkin. Nice and soft. Swim around. Crackers. Crackers and bad. 6. Just started eating, I'm done already. Finish my food and link to the back. Soon forward. Alright my G's, so right now I just done consume my food. Nigga right is a kiki and more sleep, but I need to go bathe right now. But what I'm gonna do is edit the vlog here so only can get it to watch. So I'm gonna edit this and then go bathe. I wanna get this a morning, so up it in a video. Big up on yourself, the blessings and respect. Remember, all me I wanna always talk down in the comment section. So leave a comment, leave a like, all of them good stuff to share, all of them something. You know what I mean? Up it in, mad boof.